Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to double underline in Google Sheets. So this is actually pretty simple, just follow my steps. First, click on the cell that you want to double underline. Then go to borders and select the bottom border. Right now you can see that there is one underline, so we want to select and have two, so click on borders again and select border style. Select the double underline and select the top one. Here it is, where it is, the top one. So as you can see now, manager has double underline and officer doesn't. So you have to select the top one in order to the top cell have double underline. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.